Hey boys and girls, and welcome to math. This week we have been working on solving word problems. You have been taught that there are two parts to a word problem: the information or the givens and the question, what you need to find out. We have learned add to, which would be addition, and take from, which is subtraction, word problems. Let's look at this example right here. It says Chance had some markers. So we don't know how many we had to start with. He gave 69 of them to Ben. Now Chance has 14 markers. How many markers did Chance have at first? So let me think. Chance started with, I don't know how many, right? Then he gave, so that means he's going to subtract. He gave 69 of them to Ben. And now he has 14. That's the result of him giving markers away. So let's look at how the equation should be. We do not know how much Chance started with. So that's why we have a question mark. We don't know how much he started with. It's some. He gave 69 away. That's the change. And now he's left with 14. That's the result. Okay, so if we look over here, our start is unknown, our change is 69, our result is 14. So I need to figure out how many he started with, which is going to be a bigger number than 69 and 14. So let's look at how we are going to solve this problem. So I am going to use base 10 to represent my explanation, show my work. I am going to start with 69. So here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am going to add 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The reason I'm adding 14 is if we go back and look at our part whole right here, I know that 69 and 14, those are the two parts that make up the whole. I know this is a subtraction problem, but when I'm trying to figure out what the start is, and I know the start is bigger than 69 and 14, I need to add these two numbers together. So that is why I am adding these, even though it is a subtraction problem. I have to figure out how much I started with, which is a bigger number. So I'm going to add 69 and 14. So if I add 69 and 14, I know that there are 60 tens over here, because if I break apart, here's 60 tens, and then there are 9 ones. Over here I have 1 10 and 4 ones. So if I add 60 plus 10, because I'm going to add my tens together, I get 70. And if I add 9 plus 4 together, I get 13. So 70 plus 13, okay? I'm now going to add 70 and 13 together. Well, I'm going to break apart 13. I know that there's a 10 in the ones place and a 3 in the, a 1 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. So I'm going to add 70 plus 10 is 80, and then 80 plus 3 is 83. So I know I started with 83. That's how many Chance started with. He started with 83 markers. So I go back and look at my part whole. Does that make sense? If I said that this was 83, yes, it makes sense, because 69 and 14, those are two numbers that are smaller than 83. If I added these together, I know I started with 83 markers. We are going to do this one together, so meet me back on Zoom so we can practice this before we take our quiz.